Where did you?
Ripple's XRP returning above 50 cents and again leading the crypto market recovery. Almost a week ago Ethereum World News reported on XRP's stellar performance, taking Ethereum's place by market capitalization for a day. However, Ethereum, ETH, is well cemented to be the second in lead behind Bitcoin, BTC. Following its massive 70.00% increase in 24 hours, the pair XRP, UST slowed down its momentum as sellers jumped in to harvest the gains. Yesterday most leading coins were experiencing double-digit dumps with the likes of EOS, ADA, XLM and XRP. Ripple's XRP now following the violent sell-off that took place beginning of September throughout the complete market. XRP was the first to make major steps upwards against the US dollar toward the road of recovery. Now returning to the present, the pair XRP, USD is changing hands at $0.5228 while battling to stay above $0.5000 as it was able with today's tradings to recovery. Most losses has increased 14.00% in the lot, 24 hours being the only in double-digit gains in the top 50 list. In a recent tweet as mentioned in a previous blog post, Justin Sun would give the recent surge of XRP in the markets to PNC Bank, recognizing Ripple's protocol. He also added that it was a sign that financial institutions will embrace blockchain. Concluded by one of our authors Michael Lavery in his piece, XRP search volume spikes, brand distancing from Ripple, alongside its 100% value increase in the last days. XRP has continued to distance itself from the original creating company Ripple, with the keyword XRP reaching double the search volume in Google Trends tool. Melissa Lee, CNBC Fast Money's host, queried Novogratz on his opinion about the aforementioned price surge, asking the well-established figure to try to explain the current state of XRP. They're building a great business. Full disclosure, we're Galaxy Digital, a 1% owner in Ripple, the company, not the coin. They have a good story. When something jumps 3x, I don't understand it. Maybe it's a short squeeze to a degree, as I'm sure some people were short, but there were, likely, new buyers. Ripple XRP Mega Breakout, what's next? The Ripple XRP Mega Breakout that we were calling for happened, and happened much quicker than anyone expected. As we said yesterday, nonetheless, if Ripple is capable of going topside of the 0.38 figure at any point in the days, weeks ahead, such development, should it occur, would likely trigger its next advance into the 0.42, 0.47 zone, representing a 30 to 40% move from present levels. On the flip side, the 0.25, 0.26 area should offer short-term potential support. XRP is now sitting at 0.51704 as we write this article this morning, representing gains of 61% since we alerted our readers and our Global Elite email newsletter members. Ripple XRP Mega Breakout. The Ripple XRP Mega Breakout is significant because it's the first time XRP has been above its 50-day moving average since May. Right now, the RSI is approaching 80, so we are in overbought territory, and we expect the price to consolidate around the 0.42 to 0.47 level before resuming its uptrend. While some are looking at this as an opportunity to short XRP, we are not of that camp. While some can book some profits and use a trailing stop, any integration of XRP with XRapid has the ability to create a tremendous move in XRP. As Travis Kling said this week on the Off the Chain podcast with Anthony Pompliano, XRP could be the quickest five-bagger investors could see in today's crypto markets. The reversal is real, as my colleague Ali Kamar said yesterday. Unlike other cryptocurrency projects, Ripple has some concrete partnerships with real financial institutions, but this sustained price action indicates that market confidence has indeed returned to the project. as this price action is not continuing because of any one specific catalyst. XRP spillover effect. The rally in XRP has spilled over into other markets and has lifted Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin has now broken through its 50-day moving average as well and is trading at 6,720 at the time of this writing. Its 50-day is positioned around the 6,600 level, which was serious resistance. Many were shorting 6,400 to 6,500 and have now been forced to cover. With XRP continuing to build momentum, we look set to test the next major resistance level of 6,950 to 7,000. Furthermore, the RSI is still neutral at just above 50, signaling that there's a lot more room to run before getting into overbought territory. From the chart above, you can see that Bitcoin has made higher lows than the last time we tested the 6,000 level. A break above 7,600 would be a clear signal that the crypto bear market would indeed be over. Bitcoin would then be above the 200-day moving average and many investors that have been on the sidelines will come in and we would have a new bull run. Ethereum is still trading below its 50-day moving average as seen in the chart below. I still think Ethereum is going to lag behind Bitcoin as there still hasn't been much of a move higher in the ETH pairing. ETH still has a long way to go to get above its 50-day and 200-day moving averages. Bottom line, XRP and Bitcoin look set to continue their treks higher. It shall certainly be an interesting weekend and one which we will be watching.